Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese style stir-fry spaghettini with pork. And the ingredients that you need will be spaghettini, soy sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, oil, salt, sugar, cornstarch, and 200 grams of pork, and napa, which is about 2 cups, and 1 carrot, and 2 cloves of garlic, and a couple slices of ginger. We have to boil the spaghettini first, and I have it boiled right here. And then the next step, we're going to mix the sauce for later use, and also we need to marinate the pork. Okay, I'm going to marinate my pork. It's been already sliced like this, thinly sliced. I'm going to marinate it with salt, about half a teaspoon, some soy sauce, about half a teaspoon, some sugar, just a little bit, less than half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, how's that? And then some starch, about half a teaspoon, and then mix it. Okay, I'm going to make the sauce for later use. I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, the light soy sauce. And then 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon, sorry. Now I'm going to start stir fry the pork. This is pork tenderloin. So one side is almost golden brown, so I'm going to flip it. Okay, it looks like it's fully cooked. So I'm going to put the pork aside. Stem of the cabbage. The color colors can change in the napa, so it's cooked. Now I'm going to add in the sauce. A little bit more salt, but it's to your own preference. But for myself, I need some salt. Maybe another half a teaspoon. Here's the final product. It tastes delicious, looks really good. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.